Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make a few homemade seasonings. So if you like this type of video, keep watching. First one up is curry powder. Now curry is very popular spice in Asian and Indian cuisines, but depending on which part of the world you're from, it can have a different color or taste because of the different added spices. I'm using a mortar and pestle to grind some of the spices, but you could definitely use a small food processor or a coffee grinder. My mortar and pestle is from IKEA, so I'll be sure to have it linked in the description box below. Next up is a chili seasoning blend. Even though you could simply use chili powder to season your homemade chili, having your own chili spice blend would be even better, since your spice blend would have a distinct flavor. And finally is the pantry staple, seasoned salt. Seasoned salt is perfect for any savory meal, such as grilled vegetables, soup, broth, and a lot more. Do you say seasoned salt or seasoning salt? Let me know below. Store your spices in an airtight glass jar and make sure the lids are tight-fitting, as it would help to keep the spices fresh. I hope you give them a try. As always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Wednesday and Friday when I post. Bye!